Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hi, Adam. I am so excited today.
Sarah, I am feeling very stressed today.
Oh no! Why are you stressed, Adam?
I have so many tasks to finish.
I know that heavy feeling.
My list is very long today.
Is there a deadline for these tasks?
Yes, most are due by 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock? That is very soon, Adam.
I know. My heart is beating fast.
Take a deep breath with me.
Okay. That feels a bit better.
You are not alone in this, Adam.
Does everyone feel deadline panic?
Yes, even professional managers feel it.
Really? I thought they were always calm.
No, they just hide it well.
Did you feel it this week, Sarah?
Oh, yes, I had a big problem.
Tell me your story. I need help.
I had a report for my boss.
Was it a long report?
It was 50 pages of complex data.
50 pages? Wow, that is a book.
It felt like a book, Adam, truly.
When was the report due, Sarah?
He wanted it by Tuesday morning.
Tuesday? That was yesterday.
Exactly, and I was not finished.
Did you work through the whole night?
I thought about it for a second.
But you didn't do it?
No, I need my sleep to think.
I agree. Sleep is very important.
So, I went to see Mike.
Mike is your manager, right?
Yes, he is a very busy man.
Were you nervous to knock on his door?
My hands were shaking a little bit.
What was your plan for the talk?
I wanted to be very honest.
Honesty is usually the best path.
I said, "Hi, Mike, do you have a minute?"
Short and simple. What did he say?
He looked up and said, "Sure, Sarah."
Did you tell him you were slow?
No, never say you are slow, Adam.
Why not? Is it bad to say?
It makes you look weak and unprofessional.
So what did you say instead?
I said, the project needs more focus.
More focus. That sounds much better.
Right. It shows I care about quality.
Did Mike ask why you needed time?
I told him the data was complex.
Complex data takes time to check.
Exactly. I said I didn't want to fail.
Managers hate failure. That is smart.
I told him I don't want to cut corners.
Cut corners. I love that phrase, Sarah.
It is a very powerful professional idiom.
We will explain it very soon.
Mike really liked that I spoke up.
Why did he like that?
Because he prefers a good report late.
Rather than a bad report on time?
Exactly. A bad report wastes his time.
That is a very good point, Sarah.
He gave me until Friday afternoon.
Phew, 3 extra days. That is great.
It was like a giant weight lifted.
I am still too shy to ask.
Don't be shy. It's about work.
I worry he will be angry.
Most managers are actually quite reasonable.
I hope my manager is like Mike.
Just be professional and stay calm.
I need to practice the right words.
Let's practice with our listeners now.
Perfect. Are you ready, Snack English family?
Training is how you build your confidence.
We will use Sarah's professional phrase.
Ready? Repeat every word after me. Use a clear and strong voice. We will start very short now. I need more time. I need more time. Good. Now let's add more. I need more time to finish this project. I need more time to finish this project. Excellent. Now, the full professional version. I need more time to finish this project and ensure high quality. I need more time to finish this project and ensure high quality.
Phew, that sounded so professional, Sarah.
I felt the confidence in their voices.
I am very proud of them today.
Every practice makes you a better speaker.
Sarah, let us talk about your idiom.
You mean to cut corners?
Yes. Are there real corners in a report?
No real corners today, Adam.
Then what is the real meaning?
It means to do something poorly.
Why do people do things poorly?
To save a bit of time.
Or to save some money?
Exactly, but the result is always bad.
Like building a house with weak walls?
Yes, that is a great example, Adam.
So you skip the hard, good work.
Right, you take the fast, easy path.
I don't want to cut corners.
Perfect. You used it correctly, Adam.
Can I use it for my studies?
Yes, don't cut corners with your English.
Right, I must practice the difficult parts.
That's how you become a master.
I will never cut corners again, Sarah.
Good. I'm happy to hear.
Sarah, do you have more tips?
Always give a new date.
Don't just ask for more time?
No, say exactly when you will finish.
I will finish it by Friday morning.
Exactly. It shows you have a plan.
That is a very smart rule, Sarah.
It makes the manager feel very safe.
I will try this next week.
Tell me if it works for you.
I will. I promise you that.
Well, our snack is almost over.
Oh, time goes so fast with you.
It does when we are learning.
I hope our listeners feel less stressed.
I am sure they feel powerful now.
Remember to speak up for yourself.
Yes, don't panic, just talk.
Professionalism is about clear communication.
Truly, just be honest and be kind.
Give this video a big like today.
It helps us help more students globally.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yes, join our Snack English family.
What should they write in the comments?
Tell us about your current deadline.
Is it scary or is it easy?
I want to read all your stories.
I will read them and reply too.
Thank you for listening to Snack English.
You guys are amazing students, truly.
Keep practicing and keep speaking daily.
We will see you in the next snack.
Have a wonderful and calm day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.